Welcome to Bergera Vlogs. I share daily lifestyle experiences and nature adventures, festive occasions. Join me on this exciting journey.
Hello guys! Welcome to Bergera Vlogs. Mag-unbox ako ng shampoo, lotion, sabon, body soap. Yan. From Philippines. Yeah. May brother-in-law, nagbakasyon siya sa Pilipinas for about 1 month, and then nag-work siya, by the way, he is working in Jeddah, and nag-vacation siya sa Pilipinas ng 1 month. So yung anak kong pangalan, "Hello Ash, Madam A, thank you sa mga binili mong shampoo sa akin." Yan, mag-unbox ako ng binili mong shampoo. This is lotion. 2 piraso siya. Gluta-Hya with dewy radiance for bright and glowing skin. Yan. 2 pieces. Thank you, anak Ash. And thank you sa effort mo, Jake. Ikaw yung namili nito from Philippines. Ayan. And then, Cream Silk Green, my favorite conditioner. Kasi yung shampoo rito, naglalagas talaga yung hair ko. Pag ginanon ko, ang dami-daming hair falls. So, yun. Cream Silk Green, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Yeah. 4 na piraso. 1, 2, 5. Bali, 12 yata to. 12 ang nasa isang ganito. 12. Tapos yan. 5 pieces. And then, body soap. Goat milk from Watson. Goat milk. And then, papaya orange. Oh my God. Papaya orange. And then, calamansi. Thank you, JR, sa effort mo na ang bigat-bigat dinala mo dito sa pinasan niyo ng Aramex. From Jeddah to Riyadh, yan. Sa Aramex. Parang LBC, Aramex dito sa Saudi. And then, ito pa pala, cream silk na big. Merong sachet, and then merong cream silk na big. And then, Kojic. Ayan. 2 pirasong Kojic. Ayan. Unboxing, may shampoo, may lotion, may body soap, and then Kojic. And then, mag-shoutout muna ako. I have here a listahan kasi baka makalimutan ko. Ito yung mga nakikita ko tuwing I have premiere na laging nagsusupport sa aking premiere. Hello, Admin Live It with April, Admin Eunice Mayet, Admin Chinita Co-Vlogs, Admin Alexa Channel. Hello, Fantastic Kiko, thank you so much. Miles TV, Jaras Escapes. Pasensya na yung sa mga hindi ko mababanggit. Ang dami kasing, ito lang yung kasi mga lagi kong nakikita tuwing I have premiere. Kaya, yun, nilista ko. Then, Ma'am Mercy Akas, hello. Madam LTV, hello. Lalabs Lilin, Anito Vlogs, Lalab Street Harbor admin Stephen Berg's blog, hello, and Weng Emerald, Miss Jeans, and Sir Claudius TV, and Jam and Ren, Raf and Jedda's channel. Thank you so much. Bax Bakulaw in Thailand. Marie the Explorer from I think from Riyadh. Thank you so much. Ayan, yung mga hindi ko nabanggit, pasensya na po. And thank you for all my teams. Team Kalinga Uno. Ayan, thank you sa aking mga team. Team Kalinga Uno. Vloggers League. And then Great Power Force. And Times Pluto, times 3. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa aking mga team na very supportive. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung dalawa kong phone. Hindi pa ako tapos sa it's Friday today, so hindi pa ako tapos sa playlist ng Great Power Force at saka ng Team Hearts, my Team Hearts. Yan. Yun, that's it for my vlog. Thank you so much. Bye everyone. And thank you so much, Global Tutor Academy. And palagi kang nandyan sa aking premiere. Thank you so much. And kapatid Mini Wong, Live It with April, maraming salamat sa ginawa mong intro sa aking, yung intro. Yan. Thank you. Love you. Live It with April. Thank you so much sa ginawa mong intro. Thank you. I love you, Ina Vlog. Thank you so much, Bruno Mars. Thank you so much. Hello, shout out pa nga pala sa laging nagko-comment sa aking premiere. I always see them sa mga comment section. Hello, Tugang, kapatid Mini Wong ko. I love you so much. Yan. Madalas mag-comment sa aking premiere. May Tabelina, Marie the Beauty Explorer, Claire Nature's Lover, User FX3, CT1FX, Ellen PH, Alexander, hello Yam and Dusil, thank you so much. Comment section and laging nandyan sa aking premiere, nagsusupport. Memoriado TV, North Sky Cafe, Mercy Provinciana, Abetsky TV, Bet Lily Music, and Miss Binibini, thank you so much. Sa mga hindi ko nabanggit kanina, hello, sis Admin Unloves TV and Baby Tiger, Alamais Foods Vlog, Panalo Petmalo TV, kapatid, thank you so much. Sis Marso 15, thank you very much, Sis Marso 15. Ayan, sa mga hindi ko nabanggit, maraming salamat at sa mga nagbibideo dyan. Hi, Mark Polo, I love you. Mark Polo, thank you for being nice to me. Thank you for your kindness. Yan. Mark Polo, hello. Always busy. Yan, nagbi-BG lang siya tuwing nag-premiere ako. Yan. Sa mga nagbi-BG dyan, thank you so much. God bless you all and I love you. At Madam A, ang aking anak na panganay, Ashley, Chas, Jika, Missy Joy, John Michael, and Joe Matthew. I love you so much, my 6 kids. Thank you very much, especially Ash, Madam A, very supportive. And Akito, hello. my son-in-law, thank you so much sa pag-aalaga mo kay Madam A. Ayan. O, di ba, baliktad. Imbis na ako yung nagpa-package from the Philippines, sila yung nagpapa-package going here in Saudi. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings, unlimited blessings, for the love. Yan. Wala na akong masasabi pa. I'm happy with my life today. Yan. Ayaw na nila akong paaalisin, going mag-abroad para mag-work. Kaya lang, I want my own money. Yun. Ayaw kong umaasa sa mga sahod nila. Diba? Yan. Tsaka hindi pa naman ako masyadong matanda. Matanda lang. O basa. Hello, Mama Cares from Japan, and Manang Nancy in Japan, domo arigato gozaimasu. Ayan. Lagi ko ring nakikita sa aking premiere. My premiere is Tuesday and Friday, 7:30 p.m. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all. I love you, Mark Polo.